peers that can quickly turn dangerous without timely support. But now, an AI-powered SMS platform known as Prompt is changing that reality. The service is helping mothers in 24 counties recognize danger signs early and seek help in time, potentially saving lives through simple mobile technology.
Every 2 minutes, a mother dies from pregnancy or childbirth-related complications. And every minute, 4 to 5 children don't even get the chance to begin their lives. These aren't just numbers, they're empty cradles, families shattered for life. But here's a shift. Around the world, health systems are working to stop the clock on preventable deaths.
Wakati nilijua niko ujauzito, kitu ilikuja kwa akili ya kwanza ni jinsi ya kumlea mtoto na venye nitajipanga katika ujauzito wangu. Na pia complications na the danger signs zenye zinaweza zikatokea.
Just like many first-time moms, Prudence Musundi felt both the electric rush of joy and the heavy heartbeat of anxiety. She scrolled endlessly, gathering fragments of wisdom and reassurance, determined to shield herself and the tiny life growing within her. But when she first attended the clinic, she was introduced to something new.
Niliambiwa kuna messages nitakuwa napata. In case I have any question or concern, naweza tuma hapo. Then after some months, ndio nikaanza kufeel different. So nikakumbuka, nikawauliza, ndio nikapewa feedback. Nikapata it is more easier.
This two-way SMS service, known as Prompts and developed by Jacaranda Health, would help her understand more about her journey and ease her anxiety. Prudence had memorized the danger signs like a haunting melody: bleeding, dizziness, lower back pain. When they began to stir in her own body, she turned to a trusted ally.
Mostly ukienda kwa hospital sections za maternity, unaonanga wameka hapo labels, wanasema the danger signs in pregnancy, then unapata back pain iko among them. So wakati ilikuja, I had to send a message, but sasa message nilipata feedback, at least ilinipea moral na ikanipea solution. So nikaambiwa like ninaweza massage because the baby pressure imekuwa exacted, ameongeza weight. Wakati nilipata blood stain kwa mucus and it was my 3rd trimester, hii trimester ya mwisho. So I was worried. Nikawa najiuliza nimefika ama niko na shida gani? Nikatuma message, then immediately nikareplyiwa, nikaambiwa causes zenye zinaweza kuwa the reasons. Maybe nikaambiwa it might be infection, hemorrhoids, pia sign of labor.
In Kenya, motherhood carries a shadow that numbers alone can't fully describe. Every year, 5,000 women lose their lives while giving life. Many of those deaths are preventable. Without timely, trusted information, mothers are forced to play wait and see when the first signs of trouble appear. That single pause accounts for 30% of maternal deaths in the country. That is 1,500 mothers every year. For mothers like Winnie Atieno, Prompts was the nudge that made her act with speed.
Nikienda choo, nikaona stain of blood. Nikashtuka. Sijaiona kitu kama hiyo nikiwa na mimba. Wakaniambia maybe inaweza kuwa uko na infection, ndio inaweza cause hiyo stain of blood. Ama ni first trimester na second trimester ndio mtu anaona hiyo, but ikizidi sana inaweza kuwa maybe ni miscarriage. Niliwa text immediately, wakanipigia simu. Wakaniambia kama sijaenda kuona daktari niende nione daktari. Na immediately nikaenda nikaona daktari, ilikuwa kama emergency, nikashughulikiwa, nikafanyiwa scanning, wakapata mtoto wako sawa. Wakanipima test, walikuwa nafikiria maybe ni infection, nikapatikana sina infection yoyote.
Every day, the system receives about 10,000 questions. Within minutes, AI answers about 70% of them. The remaining more complex questions are elevated to dedicated help desk agents, trained clinical nurses who step in with human expertise. 94% of high-risk mothers flagged by prompts receive care.
Daktari, kama kwa karibu swali ziko mingi, lazima nitauliza swali. Nilouliza kama mtu anaweza dungwa injection ya tetanus mara 2. Wakanijibu wakaniambia injection unadungwa mara 2, but kuna ile ya kwanza before ujifungue na kuna ile ya pili kama umeshajifungua.
Severe abdominal pain and reduced fetal movement are among the most common maternal danger signs reported. For Lilian Apio, the support didn't end with childbirth.
Vile nilizaa na mtoto macho yake ilikuwa yellow green, ni yellowish. Niliwauliza what caused this, wakaniambia maybe it can be infections, so unaweza enda kwa nearest facility. Nilienda hosi, nikapewa dawa. Vile nilizaa sasa kitovu ya mtoto ilikatika. Sasa vile ilikatika akachukua 1 week, sasa hiyo kitovu tena ikaanza kulink, yani ilikuwa inatoa maji. Nikawauliza sasa, mimi pia nilishindwa, kitovu ya mtoto inaweza toka maji aje?
Warning signs like fever and jaundice are among the most common concerns in the fragile days after birth. Data from Jacaranda Health shows a transformation in how mothers now engage with their own care, quietly shaping healthier behaviors every day. More antenatal visits, more women choosing to exclusively breastfeed, and more mothers embracing postpartum family planning.
There's a mother who came in who had a headache and was kind of bleeding. She read the danger signs from the prompts, and we took her vitals, which her blood pressure was high. It was kind of an emergency. We had to call an ambulance to refer to the nearest hospital, which is Pumwani Health Center, since we don't have maternity around here. So it reduces the amount of the time they come into the hospital not knowing what's urgent and what's not urgent.
Even in urban neighborhoods like Huruma, many mothers still turn to traditional birth attendants, trusted figures who've guided generations through childbirth. But that too is beginning to change.
Women ignored a lot. So they'll mostly seek medical attention from other sources. Here in Mathare, we call them Japolo, but most of the deaths occur on estates around because of the not having the knowledge that they should be going to the hospital.
Nikiwa na mimba ya kwanza sikuwa na kitu kama hiyo. But unajua ukienda mahali upate kuna mtu anaweza kuku-encourage kitu, una follow up. Sasa nikaamua maybe inaweza nisaidia kwa zile ya kwanza kuna mtu mwenye alikuwa karibu wa kunisaidia.
For Defrontera Media,